Here we are in the new Zhongchun Road Airport Link Line train station. As you can see, we got a new map here, although none of the lines are ready yet, but it will be very soon. Yeah, there we are right here. And here we have, it's the elevator. Of course, we got a Mitsubishi. Ooh, it's new. It's very clean, too. We got a counterweight there. This is the view of the station. When someone's here.
电梯下行。 一层到了，电梯上行。
Let's go back up one more time. I'll do a cab view. Very nice elevator. It's even nice and glassy.
二层
And
到
here's the
了，
station again. And that's it.